Yeah, like that.
Okay. Now record is started.
Yes, yes,
Later
yes.
you just what you do, no, just save it. Okay. Then
Oh,
you
okay.
can send it.
Yes, yes, yes.
See. See, I want to ask some questions. Can you say why? What is the use of means life cycle methods?
Life cycle
Ah.
method. If
Mhm.
we use life cycle method,
Mhm.
it will show some information before the rendering and after the rendering.
Mhm.
Also, if a user need to change some changes, it will
Mhm.
also reflect in that component will update. See, component, yes, yes,
Okay.
that function.
That is what you told. Uh, okay. Life cycle methods means uh, the path. The path you can say the path of how React will work in
Okay,
simple word. Okay.
okay, okay,
Means what happens means if you want to do some functions with before rendering, that will help. If you want to do something after updating component, that will help. Okay. Those are the things like as you know, like from rendering to from constructor to component did out what unmount like that
did
from
not.
that. Okay.
Okay,
uh,
okay,
so these are the life cycle methods.
okay,
Even see, even I work on class components, but I don't sorry, I don't use life cycle methods in my project, in our projects. Okay, this is
okay.
as of now, no. Since people are moving towards hooks,
Yes, yes.
just
We can use life cycle use effect
uh,
instead of life cycle method, right?
pardon me.
Use effect
Yes,
hooks.
yes. No, no, not only use, yes, yes, use effect you can use. I will tell you how those things work. See, this app, can you say what are the live components, live component methods? Give an example. Means what are the live components methods?
Life component means life cycle methods. You are asking.
Sorry, life cycle methods.
Uh, means the initial phase, mounting phase, updating phase,
Mm-hmm.
unmounting
Hmm.
phase.
Can you give the example with
Uh,
what are the functions?
for initial phase, we can say like
Mm-hmm.
get default props, get initialize state.
Mm-hmm.
For
Mm-hmm. Yes.
mounting, component will mount, component did mount.
Did more.
For updating,
Okay.
component will update, component did
Mm-hmm.
update,
Okay.
and also there like a component should component update.
That is okay. Okay. That one also there. Like
And
okay,
the
you.
final word component will unmount for
Okay.
unmounting this.
You just what you do know. These are the questions, common questions they will ask in what in the interview. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Class components. If they ask questions regarding class components, especially they will ask what this life cycle methods they will ask. Okay. Keep practice of just practice for the interview purpose. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
bro.
This is one question, and remaining things they will ask hooks related questions, and apart from that they will ask Redux based questions. Redux we can go for later. First we can complete what hooks completely, and we can do some projects. Okay. You can do three to four projects on hooks. Okay.
Okay, bro.
After this session. Okay. Then you will compatible what hooks, then you can go for Redux.
Okay.
Okay, first today, no, to help you regarding hooks, I will teach you all the hooks, um, means which are most useful for development. Actually, uh, only two to three hooks are three hooks, maximum three to four hooks we can use. We so many people use. Apart from that, nobody uh, care about what hooks. Okay,
Okay.
means that is important, but those are the implement. Those are
But
just
last
for
time
concept wise.
you said like there are 10 hooks, which is important.
7 to 8 hooks, I think. 7 to 8 hooks. I will show. I will tell you all those things. Let me explain all those things by one. Okay, so that you can understand how
Okay.
the things work. Okay, it's open right here. So See, first, let me create one file inside app.js.
Okay.
Let me name it as what? hook.jsx. So
Okay.
I named it. So I think you should download some of the extensions. One is yes linked. Yes 7. It will give some of the inbuilt snippet. I will tell you how it's work. Okay. Next thing is yes, sorry, it's in React Native. Sorry.
TypeScript is very easy, as you said, right?
TypeScript is easy. If you if you know React, then TypeScript will easy. Means it's extension of React only.
Okay.
It's a language. TypeScript is a language, a special type of language from what JavaScript. Okay. Okay. First, let me come here. See, let me check whether it is coming or not. I am till it is not coming. Still, it is installing. Okay, let it be. We can go for later. So import React from React. See, what are the hooks I will we're gonna go through today is useState, useEffect. Sorry. useEffect. Use context. Use reducer, use no, use state is okay. Use effect, use context, use reducer, use memo. What are the next? Use memo, use context, use state, use reducer, use memo. Okay. Next thing is what? Okay, I will first we can go through one by one. Okay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one is there. Which one I forgot?
Bro, also import components from text.
What you told?
Components.
useRef. Okay. Another one is useRef. What you told? Pardon me.
Components, bro. Components. We will.
Okay. Components you understood, right?
Yes, I understood.
See, components you learn on your own. If you didn't understood, we can take another session for that one.
No,
It's very
not
easy.
no. I thought like we can import component also in there, right?
This one I no no. As of now, in here I'm working on hooks. No, no need to import components.
Okay, then.
Okay, okay. Components, especially, we can use only for what? Class components. Here, only even React is not important, but just I'm importing if there might be need. Even
Okay,
this is
okay.
not important. See, these hooks, I will explain. It will take a little more time. So, can you say how to create function?
Function.
Mhm.
Okay. You mean our function or something?
Mhm. How to create a hooks, a normal function
Uh,
in React.js?
Function name equal to
No, function you can create like this. Function name you can create like this.
or else const.
Const. Let
Um,
me make it as hook, and here like this I will
yes.
start. Okay. See, this is what uh, hook. Otherwise, another one is there. Like this also you can try. Okay.
No.
Uh, See, hook. This creates hook, and I will export it. Export default hook. Okay. And I will import hook here. Import hook from hook, and I will. Okay. Here I what imported
Bro,
and
you can delete the stuff that thing from because it
okay.
might show error.
No, no, only one thing is there. Like only table is there.
Okay.
Nothing to worry about it. See, first I imported. First, let me what explain use state. Okay, why we use state? Okay, state is what do you know what is the meaning of state?
Yes.
What is the meaning? What is the meaning of state?
Uh, uh, State is also a component,
Mhm.
class component. In this, we can change the inputs.
See, state is nothing but object. You can say object. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, State is object. We can use both in what functional component, class component, both in both components you can use. See, it works as it used to store the information or variables. You can say okay. It's an
Okay.
object. Sorry, what state is an object. It's to use for used to store the information.
Okay.
Data, store the data. Okay, this is the meaning of it. And next thing is here in the return, what I will do, const. You do you know how to? I in the previous session I told how to initialize, use state.
In
Mhm.
initialize value
Count.
count,
Mhm.
or else we can
Okay,
give
and
initialize value a colon
mhm.
value,
Mhm.
right?
Mhm. And use state. Let me give as a 0. See what happens. No, this is the variable and this is the function. This stores two values. One is count and another one is set count. Set count, what it does, this updates the this way this what this variable. Okay. So what I will do first, I will print this count. Before that, what I will do, count, and what I will do, button I will create. How to how to change? I want to increment it. How to change this state? Uh, use state, no, use state used for to get the history of states. Okay.
Okay.
History means you can update. History means you can do anything like update. You can delete. You can create. All those things you can do using use stateful. Means you can get all the information, especially you can get track of state. For that we use state.
Bro, count
Okay.
and set count is inbuilt function, bro. Both are
No,
inbuilt.
you can do one. See how it works. Let me tell you. You can name whatever in the first
Okay.
variable. You can name whatever. But the second thing, it should be like set. It should be prefixed with set. And the first letter, it will take the first letter. That should be a capital letter and remaining things small. Like this, it will work. See, if you rename it as counts.
Okay.
Sorry.
The first one is name. Second one,
Function.
set only the
And
syntax. Count is the function name, right?
set count is the function name.
Okay. Bro, can you give another name for count?
Yes, okay. Let me give. See, instead of count, let me give number.
Okay.
Can you say how it works? How it works in in the second parameter?
Set number.
Okay, set capital letter and
Okay.
like
Okay.
this.
Now I understand. Okay.
Okay. Why it is showing error? Count is not
See
defined.
here,
Okay.
return we have to give number, right?
See, if this is small. Okay, sorry. NUM. See, this I took. Okay. 1 minute. It's showing one error. From is there. Where is another form? From is there. Wait, showing here. Can't resolve from. Okay, I think it is not there. Let me
The form days I have created.
it's a form, but here it is showing. Let me remove this one.
Okay.
Okay, it's not there. Form is not there. See. Okay. Now, whenever I click on this button, now let me see the output. See, whenever I click on this should be increment. Do you know how to do that one? Already in the previous session, I told you.
On click.
Here. Okay.
On click equal to we have to give a function name, right?
Function name here we can give that we can do directly. How to write here only the set count set number? How can we write? If it is a function, we should start with like this and like this. Okay.
Yes.
And then next thing is set number. I'm calling set number, and we can do in two ways. One is number plus one.
Okay.
If you come here, it works. Okay. Number plus one. You can do this way. Another way is you can take a reference variable like this. N. This is the reference I'm taking, and it's written n plus 1. Means whatever you can take it, not n is not the only thing we can take. Like you can take one Edward. What is doing? It converts the number into
if we
n.
give a means we have to give a plus 1.
A plus 1 like that.
Okay.
See, it's working. Okay. See, this way you can do. If you want to minus, no, just to minus this. Okay.
But that arrow function is important.
Arrow function is important. Here, this arrow function.
Yes.
This is also important. This is also important. Since I'm writing here only. If you want to
create a separate function means we have to create a separate function and call here, right?
Increment. Increments. Let me give like this, and here. You can't write a function inside another function. Okay. This is the function, so that we should write in what it should be like this. error function.
Okay.
And here what I will do, set, let me copy this one. And instead of here, you can do this way. One is this, like this. Oh, here what I will do, just increments, that's it.
Okay.
Like this you can do. One minute. Okay, it's not working. I think what we left here, the increments. Okay. Okay, now okay.
Okay.
See, like this you can do. Okay, these are the some of the methods. Like you can do like here only, or you can call the function, and what it does, it will go here and set number. It will increase the number. Okay, n-1. If you want to,
Bro,
okay, these
one
are the
doubt.
things.
Inside the function, we don't have to declare the declare the name. Like
But
if number is a variable, we have created trait, but we did not declare the trait. How we
this
should?
number, right?
Yes, yes.
This is the use of useState. useState, no, this declares here only. Number, it declared.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, inside. And if you want to update, no, you have to use this one. Since we used const here, so we
Okay.
have to use, they're saying that use only set number to update this. Nothing will work other than this.
Okay, bro.
This way, what useState will work. useState is means if you want to work on especially variables, if you want to update, means if you are in updating in future, you should use useState only, because you want to track that state. For that reason we use useState. Okay,
Okay,
this is
bro.
the use of useState. Then
Okay.
next thing is useEffect. Okay, useEffect, how it works, this is the syntax of useEffect. Then function inside curly braces, and here, see why we use useEffect. useEffect is used for side effects, you can say. Side effects in the sense, we discussed in the before we discussed what components,
Yes.
life cycle methods. Okay, this helps in that way. Like it will work as a component did mount, component will mount, and component will unmount, component did update, component, like that. So
Okay.
this performs to achieve those life cycle methods. Let me give some examples so that you can understand. So okay, console.log of before that, what I will do, sorry, not console. Console is little bit complicated. So what I will do here, instead of this set number, no, let me, sorry, command, let me paste that here. What it happens now, before rendering, so before it printing, it will go here and perform once. If you come here, it's performing. Like, why it is performing continuously, you can ask. Okay, it, see, useEffect, no, it works, means it renders means continuously. It
Okay.
doesn't stop. Okay, if you want to stop, it means if you want to run it only one time, so what you have to do, comma here in the comma, and like this. Now if you come here, okay, refresh it out. See, you can say only twice it rendered.
Yes.
In first render -1, in the second render -2. You can say why it is working like this twice. Since we used In the previous session I told, can you join once again this session, because only 10 minutes is there. After, if it ends, no, join once again, huh?
Okay.
Later. See, in the render, no, you used in the index.js, we used the react.strict mode. Since we used strict mode, what it means, it is first it renders, and second time it renders because it checks whether there is any problem in that, whether there is any functional, not functional, active problems in that. It will check. If there is, for that reason, it will renders twice. Understood, right? Why it is useEffect runs twice. useEffect, normally useEffect runs twice. If you want to run only one, you can remove this use react.strict mode. This is not the ideal way, but we have to we have to insert what is the react.strict mode is mandatory. This is the ideal way, good way, but don't need to remove. useEffect runs twice. That's the character of useEffect. Okay.
Can
First
you
is first.
comment the set number, that line in hook function, and can you run again?
Pardon me?
This line.
Which
Bro,
line?
const hook set useState, you created one function, right?
useState.
Last
Yes.
line you comment and run again.
This one, huh?
Yes, last line. Set number n equal to n minus 1.
This one, huh?
No. In last set number equal to, yeah, this line only.
This.
Yes.
Okay. See, this is not. This won't work. I will tell. Okay, you are thinking about this. This I'm calling only when what? Whenever they click on that one. Okay. You are thinking about see, even it's even it works. No, it means even if I remove it, it is like
Okay.
2 only.
Okay.
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 Let me refresh it out, since the previous code is running.
Okay.
Because it runs twice. So what I have to do? This is like what? This is the component did mount. Okay. It's like component did mount. Component did mount means if component renders, then it works. Okay. You may wonder, means you may have doubt how it is component did mount. Component did mounts means first it will be first it will print number as it is. First it will print 0. Then after it will come here and works like this. Understood, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me tell you how it is working. It is little bit complicated. You can okay. How it is, let me stop this useEffect so that you can clearly understand how this useEffect working. Set timeout means I'm stopping this function for how many seconds. Here I can mention how many seconds I can stop this function. 1000 means 1000 milliseconds. For 1000 milliseconds I stop this one. What will happen? Let me see. Refresh it. Still it is.
I think you have to remove the square bracket.
No. Okay. 1 minute. I mean, why it is not loading. No, still it is compiling. 1
So
minute.
why we use the square bracket, bro? There.
Where? That one I'm telling. It square bracket means it runs only one time.
Okay.
If you want to render, if you want to perform useEffect continuously, then remove the square bracket. like I showed like
Yes,
it's
yes, yes.
the increment will would continued.
Mm, mm, mm.
Why it is still compiling? Mhm. Do one thing. I will do one. It's stuck. Why it is taking this much time? It will take normally this much time. Huh?
No, no, no.
No, but then why it is?
Mm, or command that line and run.
No.
I try to run.
Which one? No. It's not related to the code. You mean comment this one?
Yes, yes.
It's not related to that one because it still hasn't started to compile.
Oh, no.
Now,
On after set up middleware.